Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Yes, today, and you know what today is? Dollar General 5 off of 25. Yes, Dollar General 5 off of 25. First, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. Y'all went into Dollar General to get these deals. Y'all better get out here and get these deals, honey. You can get you something of everything up in here with this 5 off of 25, okay? So, y'all know sometimes I have a plan, sometimes I don't have a plan. So today, I really didn't have a plan. I was just going off the whim, and some things that I knew I could get, some things I knew that, hey, maybe I'll try to get if I had the digital coupon. So this is all digital. No, this is not all digital. I'm sorry. This is digital plus 2 paper coupons, okay? I just put these 2 paper coupons in there just to see if it was scanned. That's it. That's all. So, and if it didn't scan, I was going to just tell her to take those 2 off. So, it actually is a glitch, okay? Those 2 paper coupons that I've used just to see. Because, hey, it is what it is. You got to do what you got to do, you know. Some people don't like to use the glitches, but, you know, it is what it is. And I think some people, when they say they don't use the glitches, they use the glitches, they just don't tell you on their video. I think that they go out, do those glitches, and leave it at that. But then they criticize everybody else. But that's another video, okay? That's another video. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I've got, y'all, what I did was there is a digital coupon that is expiring, I believe, today on these Lay's chips. They are $1 off when you buy 2, and they also are on sale 2 for, I believe they 2 for $5 or 2 for $4. Okay. Then there's another Dollar General coupon that is out there, and it's saying if you buy any Lay's or Pepsi products, you get a $2 off digital coupon. And y'all, both of them came off. Okay, both of them came off. Actually, I think it looks like it might have been, let's see. No, both of them came off. Yeah, both of them came off along with my dollar digital coupon, okay? The next thing is the Suave. The Suave, there is 2 manufacturer coupons. There's a $2 off of 2 and a $1 off of 1. You want to go ahead and use the $2 off of 2, but if you've already clipped the $1 off of 1, you can't do anything about it because you cannot remove it, okay? So then also there is a digital coupon. If you buy $6 or more on Suave, you get $2 off. So I bought these 2. They are $3 each, and they are the 18 ounce. This is the Wild Cherry Blossom, 2 Wild Cherry Blossom. And y'all, these are the last 2 on the shelf because I was about to check out, and I said, oh, the Suave. So I had to hurry up and go over there and get those Suave because there was a lot of people in the store because I waited to come to the store late, but it is what it is. All right, so the next thing are these Begging Fun Size, and these are in the dollar aisle, and I was getting these for my dog, but I forgot my dog don't like these Beggins, so I give them to someone else who has a dog. But they are $1 each. There is a manufacturer coupon that if you go on coupontime.com, type in Prime for dogs, then it should come up. It is $1.50. These are $1 on the dollar out, and it is scanning for this, so you get 50 cents overage. Okay, and I got 2 of them, so I mean I got $1 overage. All right, so then the next thing is the Street Always liners. These are $3. That we have a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, just making it $1. All right. The next thing is these Bic. The Bic pen. 10 cents. Pens are $1. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, just making it $1. All right. The next thing is these Bic. The Bic pens are $1. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, just making it $1. All right. The next thing is these Bic pens are $1. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, just making it $1. digital coupon, Dollar General coupon, that when you scan it on here, it's not making it free. It's only making it a penny, because on Dollar General, they do not give it to you for free. They just make it go down to where they're giving it to you for a penny. Y'all, if y'all hear anything, it's my air. It is hot out here, and I have to have my air on in the car, honey. So it is what it is. So the next thing, let me move this stuff around. Y'all know I'm in my car. My seat's not all that big when I get all this stuff, you know. So the Colgate toothpaste. Y'all know they are 2 for 75 cents. $2.75, y'all. I am so sorry. $2.75. There is a $2 off digital coupon. Also, when you buy 2 of them, they 2 for $5. So I had and then also there is a $1 off digital coupon for Colgate. Let me turn these around so you can see them, y'all. I'm so sorry. All right, there we go. And it's $1 off. So I went ahead and purchased 3 and got the $3 off for the Colgate. Okay. And then let's see. I got the $2 off, and then $2 off digital coupon came off also. And also, let me see if the $1 came off. I think it should have been a $1. Yes, and the $1 coupon came off. And then when you buy 2, they 2 for $5, or if you buy 1, they $2.75. Okay. So then the next thing is these Big Soul Smooth, Simply Smooth. They are $3.35 in the store. There is a $4 off. Is it $4? You know, y'all, I scanned it, but it didn't come off. Oh, wow. I scanned it, and it did come up on my, let me see. No, I'm looking at the big pens. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm looking at the big pens. Where is it at? The big. Did she scan it? But anyway, these are $3.35. There is a Dollar General coupon for $4, and you know it only gonna make it $3. Oh yeah, it did. Okay, y'all, I'm seeing. I show it. Okay, yeah, it is $3.30. I'm sorry, y'all. And with the Dollar General digital coupon, it made it $3.29. Okay, $3.29. You know, you don't get no overage. And then the last thing is the Downy. Y'all know this Downy smells good. This is the Downy that is the vanilla and citrus and vanilla bliss. It is $2.95. We have a $2 off digital that is attaching to this product, making it only 95 cents. Yes, 95 cents. All right, y'all, stuff is falling off of my seat in my car. So, y'all, this right here, I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't go out there and get these deals, you know, you can do it. You know, all you gotta do is do it. Just do it a couple of times. Be brave out there. Not, you know, stern, but be brave when you go up to these cashiers. Because some of these cashiers, they coupon themselves too. So they know how it is, and they know what to do and what not to do, okay? So, y'all, my subtotal for all of this stuff that I got food, well, not food, snacks. I got, you know, lotion, pens. I got everything for you, even for your dog. My subtotal is $10.22. Yes, $10.22. And you know, everybody's tax is different, so let me show you my receipt. There it is. Look at the lace. All of that came off. Look at all of that. All of that came off. Everything came off. And look at my subtotal. $10.22. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Look how much total I saved. $27.78. Yes, $27.78. You can't beat that. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. All right, y'all. So, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, And thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.